Hi there, my name is Dan Pertel. I'm one of the attorneys at Wilson Law Group. I want to spend a little bit of time here to talk with you about how to select an estate planning attorney. It is quite frankly one of the most important decisions you're going to make as you consider the legacy that you leave for your family and even for you in terms of your care during incapacity. So the things that we really want to focus on as we give you advice as to how to pick an attorney that will do your estate planning. Number one would be finding someone who is a specialist. There are plenty of attorneys out there in the world. Some of them do what we call general practice. General practice means that they do almost every area of the law, or they will do whatever comes to them. While those attorneys certainly are competent at doing many different areas of the law, the specialists out there actually pick one area and they focus on that. That is what we do at Wilson Law Group. Our attorneys are board certified estate planning specialists, and our entire practice is dedicated to the area of estate planning and succession planning. So you know that the expertise you're going to find with us is very high. Another item that we'd want you to consider is when you meet with that attorney, are they giving you a complimentary meeting so that you're not feeling like you're under pressure to make a decision? And at that meeting, make sure that they give you all the options possible. They should be helping you find out what each type of plan does for you and what the cost and benefit analysis of that plan will be. I would also suggest that you learn a little bit about the law firm itself. It is very important to get to know, or at least know, that the staff in that law firm is there to support you. We are very proud here at Wilson Law Group to have an excellent staff that, quite frankly, is the point of contact for many of our clients, and our clients are very happy knowing that our staff is there to assist them. Unfortunately, we do see attorneys that don't have much in terms of staff, but their staff also might not be very helpful. So finding the attorney and their backup staff that's going to be something that matches up with you is important. Another thing that, as I mentioned, is finding an attorney that does flat fee work. There are attorneys that tend to do a lot of hourly work, and that, while that is kind of the standard in the industry, we find that families are going to be much better off if they know exactly what the cost is going to be on the front end. They don't feel like they're looking at the clock. They feel like they can reach out to their attorney and ask questions without having the concern about being on the clock. So that is, again, something that we would strongly recommend, is you find someone that does work on a flat fee basis. Another thing that we do not find enough in our industry is attorneys that do regular reviews of estate planning. Estate plans are developed, and unfortunately, in many times, they are put away and they're not looked at for a long time. The average time between an estate plan is actually completed and is reviewed out there in the world is about 20 years. That's a long time between when a plan is put in place and when the plan is looked at. We prefer to see our clients every 2 to 5 years. And that means that we're going to look at personal changes, we're going to look at tax changes, legislation, different techniques, all different things that can change in the estate plan that are very important to keep the plan up to date. So finding an attorney that does that is very important. We do that on purpose with our maintenance program. And finally, the estate planning that you do is really only as good as the people that are going to be there to help you implement it. And for many families, that means that their family members who are named as successors, it could be their children, it could be a sibling, but those that are named as successor agents, successor executors, personal representatives, trustees, they are not attorneys, they're not experts, and even though they might work with the attorney you select, the educational component so that they learn about what they need to do before something happens is, I think, crucial. That is something that we do very well at Wilson Law Group. We oftentimes encourage families to have family meetings so they can come in and talk with us, so that those people that are going to implement the planning know what to do far ahead of time, and so they feel comfortable knowing that the plan is there and they know what to do with the plan. If you'd like to talk more about these issues and would like to take advantage of a consultation with one of our attorneys, please give us a call.